So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly put some texture paste on here. I'm gonna put it on thick because I want it to stand out a lot. I'm also going to paint an angel. So then you can decide if you like the cross or the angel with the church. As you can see, I'm putting it on very thick. And then I'm gonna let it dry. It's gonna be a very a quick painting this. So I want it to stand up a little more. So I'm just gonna put on some texture like this. And as soon as this is dry, I will see you again. Okay, the cross is dry now. The colors I'm going to use is the same: Paynes grey, burnt umber white, Naples yellow, Phathalo blue, and maybe the warm grey. So I wanted to fit nicely in with this one. So I'm going to go for the blue that's around the door to go to the background. So I'm just going to go quickly around everything here. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Paynes grain and my burnt umber now. I thinned it a little bit with my water. I just want to go for a second layer on the background. It's showing a little bit through. I don't like that. So I'm just taking the same colors, my blue and my white and my Naples Yellow. Okay, I'm just gonna let it dry this quickly and then I'll paint over that. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight this with my brown. I'm gonna put a little bit of my yellow in it, and I'm just gonna dry brush this. Now what I mean with dry brush, you just use your brush flat with a canvas. You just touch it lightly.
Bring the funk back.
There you go. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get future uploads on my channel. If there's anything you want me to paint, just feel free and comment in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Have a lovely day.